Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be looking after how to bypass 15-meter restriction for Mavic Mini 2. These steps work on Mini 2 as well as Mini 1 and it also works on Mavic Air 2. Before starting with the configuration, just watch the before and after video with altitude height.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Before starting with the video, I want to make sure I am not responsible for your drone loss and I don't encourage anyone to break the government laws. This video is just for fun and educate people. Let's quickly configure Mini 2 to bypass 15-meter restriction. For this process, you need laptop, mobile phone and obviously drone. Before configuring, you need to understand what stops Mini or Mini 2 flying more than 15 meters in India. The simple reason is Mini or Mini 2 comes in contact with satellite and gets the GPS. In the same way, RC controller uses your mobile phone GPS and fetches the location. So you need to first configure your drone to fly according to your required altitude. Then you need to make sure it should not understand the RC remote is in India, so you also need to fetch the RC GPS through your phone. Firstly, we will start with the aircraft configuration. To do so, we need a software in your PC named Drone Hacks. You might have heard about it. We will be using this software to configure our aircraft. Aircraft won't easily get connected to your laptop, so these are the process you need to follow while connecting your aircraft to your laptop. Now simply turn on the aircraft. Before the start beep, you need to plug in the cable. As soon as the aircraft gets connected, you can see the green bar on the display. Then click on Hack Parameters and wait for a while. Once you get this interface, click on Advanced Parameters. Type max in the search tab and click on the maximum height with 15 meters and change it to your requirement altitude height. I will enter 122 meters and save the parameters and close this and click on write parameters. Then once it's done in the terminal, then open the advanced parameters and do the same thing and cross check whether it has changed to 120. Once it's done, that makes your first part complete. Means you have completed your aircraft configuration. Now you can disconnect your aircraft from your laptop. Now we will start faking the GPS for RC remote with your phone. Now just open your Play Store and search for fake GPS. Install this app on your phone. I have already installed it, so I will directly open it. So pinpoint in some other countries apart from India, like United States or Canada. Before doing that, open your settings and go to your about section of your phone and continuously tap on build number so that you can become a developer of your phone. Without doing this, you can't tweak your GPS and app will not work. Now just pinpoint the location and press on the green button and you're good to go. You can go to the Google Maps and check your location. You can verify from it here. It will start showing you the same which you have pinpointed in that application, fake GPS application. Now just disconnect your internet and open DJI Fly app. Now in the settings you can see that you can change the maximum altitude and auto RTH altitude. After this step, you're done with the faking of GPS to your RC remote. Now let's quickly go to the open space and try flying more than 15 meters. So guys, let's take our Mavic Mini to the open space and try it out. Let's quickly go there.
So guys, let's quickly go to the location and try it out.
Now we have reached the location. Let's do all the setups and test it. While doing the setup, you should make sure that you should not connect your phone to your RC remote. Just turn the turn on the aircraft and just try flying it manually without connecting it to the phone. This is the main step in this process. If you connect your phone for the first time, then it will take the GPS location and it will not fly more than 15 meters. So make sure that you are not connecting your phone for the first time. After flying it around 5 meters or 6 meters up, then try connecting it. Then you will not get any warning or any restriction for the 15 meters. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.